So what I want to ask, as far as that 200 meters go, and Jamaica is concerned, going into Eugene,
Yes, sir.
right? We spoke off the air earlier, and even watching and listening to the commentary live, there's a strong possibility. I know most Jamaicans would be like a Jamaica 1, 2, 3, but with Steiner in the mix, you know what I mean? It could throw a wrench in that program. But Shericka Jackson definitely looks like a shoo-in with all things going to plan to take that 200-meter gold. What is your opinion on that when we get to Eugene?
The first thing I would say is to check in with your good self and the viewers and subscribers out there. Can we get, or have we gotten confirmation that Shelley is going to contest the 200 meters in Eugene?
I would figure, based off her running the trials, she's going to contest it.
You see, I would put it to you potentially, and I'm sure there are people out there who may think
what
likewise.
I'm saying though,
Yes,
is Shericka that shooing for the gold. At this point, she looks like a favorite after that world lead.
oh, there's no question about it. I would say there's no question about it. I was alluding to the 1, 2, 3 and the chances of that being derailed. Shericka Jackson has every reason to be labeled the favorite. And I tell you what, after her interview post race, when I don't know if you caught it, but you heard her talking about she didn't run the best of races, and there were more than a couple of things in that race that she wasn't happy with. That suggests that there's not only more to come, but that's a bag of trouble. And we're talking about potential, well, I'm not going to say world record right about now, but that woman, she's not resting on her laurels. And the 21.53 or so that Elaine ran to win in Tokyo, that is under serious threat. Shericka is the favorite for the 200 as far as I'm concerned, Mr. Primo.